pretty girl. Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today is the day after the ice storm aftermath. Everything's pretty much melted. It's raining right now. It's like a high of 10 degrees. And the best part of today is me and my little brother are on our way to Kingston to stock up a new shop. I've been approved for Caboodle. It's my 3rd location with them, and it's my 5th location for selling my Bath and Body products. So I'm really excited. Donald's being my chauffeur, and everyone meet my little brother Donald. He's got to pay attention to the road. We're now.
Does the beard look okay?
And yeah, we're just on the 401 right now. As you can see, it's raining a little bit, and yeah, we're just gonna take our time. And now we're heading back into the mall. We got to pick up a couple more things to Kansas to get dropped off at the post office. Oh, there we are, right there. There it is. Oh, now this is nice. It's my first time here. Hi, I'm Angela with AngeChanted. Starter space, yes. Alrighty, perfect. Awesome. Here we are, Doc. Gorgeous day. So I want to go take a quick walk out back to see if there's any damage out in our backwoods, and there's also like a nice little trail back there I'll take you on. Just want to see what it looks like, and I'm going to brave it with my running shoes. I probably should put boots on, but whatever. I'll see how it goes and see how far I can make it back there. Scotia's going to come with me, so let's take a walk out my backyard and see. It's a gorgeous day. Line here, just past the tree line, is our conservation area. Got a little makeshift bridge here that I just need to put across so I can walk across the creek. So hold on. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead, Scotia. Can you do it? Good girl. Let's see if I can do it. Yeah, quite a few trees are down here. Can't can't really tell there's a path here. It's probably a good thing. No, we're going this way. So, we're now on conservation land. Not too many people know about this little lookout here. It's pretty run down. It's old. It was before the new owners took over the conservation areas. So we'll do what we can to fix it up a bit here. But it is beautiful. It's nice, peaceful, quiet. You can sit out on this outlook here with a book and read and just witness nature at its finest. Take pictures and stuff. So just beautiful. And many times over the years we would when the pond was frozen, we would come out this little path here, this ice path, put our skates on this little boardwalk, and we would actually go skate out there on the pond. It was perfect for skating, play some ice hockey and stuff. But no, it's lovely. Just a beautiful day for this today. And I think Scotia's enjoying it too. You can hear all the chainsaws and all the machinery going, cleaning up all the trees that have fallen all around this area from that ice storm. So, but yeah, isn't it pretty? Just pretty. No, he hasn't seen these. But you know what? I'll send a picture to Josh. He'll be like,
God, yes.
oh, what's Grandpa making? What kind of recipe did you do on that?
Oh, that's just an apple.
Crab apple
jelly.
jelly.
Wow.
And